Alrighty, good morning guys. We're back out here on the property out of the construction site, and I noticed my track on my excavator was getting a little floppy. The other side is just fine. This is how this side is, and the other side is nice and snug. So that's what we need to do to the other side. Here's how to do it. Oh, by the way, this is the QK16R Robert AGT Industrial. Alrighty folks, down here in this little hole you have a nut, which is I'm using a 1 1/4 inch. There is a metric size that fits a little snugger, but that's just this is the lock nut, and you can see how there are marks for a wrench right here. And what you have to do is make sure that this nut is loose, and then you turn this one, you rotate it this way. So put a wrench on it down low and pull up with that nut loose, and the track will start to tighten. Let me get it tightened up and I'll tell you how hard it was. Alrighty, so I was able to get it tightened up to where it's much tighter, but I don't have the 100% accurate wrench for that nut, or for that tightening bolt right there. So I just snugged it up just enough to get me through. When I'm done out here clearing, I'm going to be taking the excavator back to the shop or to the garage, and I'm going to be cleaning it up. I'm doing nice maintenance, go through, remove all the panels of the floor and tighten all the bolts up. There's some areas I want to remove the bolts and put some Loctite on, like the rotating motor in there that I mentioned on another video that loosened up on me. So but this is much tighter than it was. It was actually visually sagging way down, so this should get me through the rest of the work I need to do. But that's how you tighten that up. And then to lock it in, you just use your wrench and tighten it up to the point where it is nice and tight, just like that. And when it's all tight, you're ready to get back to work. And you know, the interesting thing was, this machine came with a toolbox with some tools in it. I haven't found one bolt on this machine that wrench actually fit. I know, it's kind of crazy, right? But it also came with the grease gun to grease up the boom and the bucket hinges. I didn't use it either. It's a piece of shit. But I got out a small one that I use on cars and whatnot, and it works perfectly on it. But anyway, that's all I wanted to show you on it today. Hope that helped you with yours. Stay safe, stay free, get your work done. I do. Why not you?